I'm Gemma from the UK. I found Dentafly on the internet and WhatsApp, highly recommended from lots and lots of people. The treatment has gone completely smoothly. I'm very, very happy. All my coordinators and dentists have been so welcoming and been really, really helpful for me. They've adjusted everything I've needed to have adjusted, and I'm so, so, so happy with my new smile. I found Dentafly on the internet with all of the reviews, and I've been in contact with my coordinator since November 2022. And yes, I just really needed to stay with Dentafly because I saw no flaws in the clinic at all. I had crowns and I had a root canal, and I've had some bridges put in because I had a gap, and I chose A01.